Hi guys, how's it going? How you doing today? Hopefully today finds you well. Today I am creating this makeup look for you. It's this Instagram worthy crazy peacock eye kind of or colorful like rainbow eye even. Colorful eye look made with the Coloured Raine Vivid Pigments palette. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I do hope that that sounds like something that you're interested in. I am Donna. I am a lover of all things high-end, colorful beauty and self-care. If you could not see that. I also work in the beauty industry as a district leader for Ulta Beauty, so I'd like to bring you all the education that I can on the products that I am putting on my face. I also just really kind of like to talk about makeup, and you people are the people that I choose to talk about makeup with, because ain't nobody in my personal life giving a poop about makeup like I give a poop about makeup, and you're here for a reason, right? Word on the street is that you all want to see more of the makeup looks that I create. So I thought today I would sit down and do an Instagram worthy look for you using the Vivid Pigment palette, because it's the perfect palette to use for an Instagram worthy kind of look and a colorful look to beat. So I hope that that sounds like something that you're in for, and if it does, please keep on watching because it's coming right at you. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed me coming up with this makeup look with you. I am really having a good time with this palette, which is the palette that we used today. This is the palette that I used in, or the palette that I brought into my life this week via my palette review series, which is called Palette Roulette here on my channel. I will link that up in the cards, or the one on this one anyways. But I do a palette review every single Monday on my channel, and I would love to have you along for the ride. I hope that y'all enjoyed watching me apply this makeup look. This was really just an Instagram worthy kind of makeup look today. I do enjoy having fun with color, hence my, you know, mantra for my channel, a high-end colorful beauty and self-care lover out here, and want to bring a little bit of that to you. I've heard multiple times from my wonderful subscribers how they would love to see how I get some of the looks that I create. So here you are, here we are. What I will promise you is that in this 2022 year, I am going to try and do this more often. I do promise that for sure. I'm not really sure that I'm digging the face makeup, if I'm honest. I feel a little bit pale, but I think a lot of that comes down to using primer that doesn't really love my skin. I'm also using a concealer for foundation instead of a foundation because I am trying to use it up, and it's really light, right? Our concealers are pretty light. I did put a grip ton of bronzer and blush on, but it doesn't seem to be showing up super well. So there's that. Just so we know, the bronzer I used today was a combination of this guy here, which is the Trestique Color and Contour Cheek Stick. Not my favorite thing ever. I feel like it kind of sticks where you place it, and it's really, really tough to blend out. Not a great cream stick. I think it's a little bit dried out. And the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Nude Bronze Light. This is a really beautiful bronzer. I actually quite love this bronzer, to be honest. And then I also used this blush, which is the Ritual Defy Desire Inner Glow Cream Pigment. I feel like this kind of is a drier cream product and really takes a lot. I do think it blends out well, but I also think it kind of looks like I am bruised on my face today, and I haven't experienced that before with this particular blush, so I do think maybe I just put a slight bit too much on, and or the highlight that I'm using, which is way too dark for my face. I knew that going into it. I need to maybe start using it as an eyeshadow instead, because even though it's a giant pan and I don't know how long it'll take me to move out of my collection, but this is the Illamasqua Beyond Powder Highlighter in Risque, and that is what it looks like. It's such a dark highlight. I'll have to use it as an eyeshadow. With that being said, I do hope that you guys enjoyed my video today. I tried to make it real quick and easy for you. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It really does help our channels out here. And I hope that you liked it enough, or me enough. Not that you got a good visualization of me or a good grasp of who I am in this video, except for the fact that I love colorful makeup. But I hope you enjoyed my presentation enough today that you're considering subscribing to my channel. I would love to welcome you into my wonderful YouTube fam here. So with that said, thank you guys so much for joining us today. I hope that 2022 is treating y'all kindly, that you and yours are well, that you're healthy, that you're safe, and that you're getting along in this crazy world as best you can currently. And I hope that you are loving each other, but loving each other from afar. And until next time, bye friends.